How can a piece of paper the size of your hand represent an entire continent? The answer is a single powerful mathematical concept: scale. Whether you're navigating with a phone, reading an architect's blueprint, or even looking at a microscope slide, you're using the language of proportional reasoning. This isn't just an abstract school lesson. It's a vital survival skill, a professional requirement for engineers, and a way to truly grasp the world around you. Let's find our way. At its heart, a map scale is a simple ratio: drawing to reality. A scale of 1 to 100,000 means 1 centimeter on your map represents 100,000 centimeters in the real world. Now, here's the magic trick for converting that massive number. 100,000 centimeters is exactly 1 kilometer. So, on that map, 1 centimeter equals 1 kilometer. It's that straightforward. To find the real distance, you just multiply your map measurement by the scale factor. But what about the little black and white bar at the bottom of a digital map? That's a scale bar. Instead of a ratio, it gives you a visual reference, like this much length equals 500 meters. Its real genius is that when you zoom in or out, the bar resizes with the map, so it always stays accurate. Of course, distance is only half the battle. We also need direction. That's where bearings come in. Think of a compass. North is our starting point, 0 degrees. From there, we always measure clockwise, and we always write it with 3 digits. So due east isn't just 90 degrees, it's 090. Southwest isn't just an idea, it's a precise heading of 225 degrees. Combining scale and direction gives you spatial literacy. It's what allows a hiker to navigate without a signal and a pilot to plot a flight path across an ocean. It's the math that shrinks the world onto a page and then lets you find your place in it.